Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath's FX YouTube channel, and this is MIUI 11X custom ROM reviews. It's applicable for PocoF4 and Redmi K40 also. In this video, I'm going to explain this MIUI 14.22.12.24 MIUIVna Vietnam edition, but it is based on China, China based edition as of now. This is the latest available build for MIUI 11X. You can see on the screen here. And if I go into detailed info, you can see here it with Android 13. It is with Android 13, as you can see. Latest here with MIUI 14 and with Android 13, and kernel, let me show you. Kernel, yeah, 4.19.157 PocoF kernel has been used here. This are the kernel used here, and if I go into like these all the basic customization, and if you go into check available benefits, you will directly revert back to get apps or MI store application. You can see here these are the apps I'm running. One of the smoothest ROM available for MIUI 11X or PocoF4 or Redmi K40. Here I noticed biggest change from MIUI 13 to MIUI 14 is this home screen. Here you can customize the icons, as you can see, look like this. For example, if I want to change this gallery, and here you can see if any widgets are available, you can directly revert to widgets. If you want to edit the icon, you can just click here and select 2:1 or 1:2 horizontal and vertical, and even bigger size icon. You can just press this. It takes a little bit of time to download that particular icon, and it will revert back to make like this. This how simple, and it's useful, and it looks really impressive in my opinion. And you can see there is even a, and you can see here there is even a dog here, and there are some other like plants and even the cat. Those things are available. If you want to deep dive into that, just press and hold here in the empty space area. Yeah, now you can go into widgets here. You get plenty here, recommended, and go to categories here and select this all, and you get lot more. Again, you need to select whatever you want. As you can see, for clock and everything are given. If you want to check categories wise, again you get here options like this. You can see here lot more available in terms of widgets. You get number of widgets for your smartphone here. For example, as I said before, dog is available, and even this cat is also available. In future updates, you might get lot more. As you can see, some of the plants are available. This is China based ROM, hence you will get lot more, but once it's converted into global or Vietnamese edition, let's see what all the things we get. But as of now, this is one of the smoothest here, and you can see this how the ROM home screen. This is the major change you can see in MIUI 14, and quick settings remain the same here, nothing new, and you won't get any option to arrange these icons as of now, but you can enable or disable some of the icons. If you want, you can drag and add here. That's fine, working fine. It's smooth here, nothing lag or anything like that. It's smooth in my opinion. And this is the home screen, as I said before. And coming to dialer, you get a MIUI proper MIUI dialer. Let me increase a little bit of volume here and keep it to general mode. Okay, you can see here direct video call feature is also available, and call recording feature is also available, which is working fine in my opinion. Every options are also working fine. If I go into settings, you get this call recording options and call waiting options and incoming call settings, block list. You can customize them, play around with that and customize them. Advanced settings are given, as you can see. Those things are present in this ROM. A proper MIUI dialer, you know what all the things available in MIUI dialer, I hope so. And again, if I check here, call recorded. Okay, if I go into actual settings, this is how the settings panel looks. I am currently in the dark mode. Even if you disable the dark mode also, let me okay, Dolby Atmos. Okay, this is how the the light mode looks like, and you can see here basic settings and connection sharing. You get all the options like portable hotspot, VPN, DNS option. Those things are working fine. Let me decrease a little bit of brightness, it's too bright. Okay, this is how it looks. And wallpapers and personalization, you get plenty of wallpapers here. If I go into library, as you can see, you get a lot more wallpapers regarding MIUI 14. This curves and this one and this one. what we have seen like Xiaomi 13 wallpapers, that still not available. Hope so in the upcoming build those things added. Some of the dynamic wallpapers have been missing here. Maybe in upcoming builds we can see. And always on display you get here. Let me enable this and turn off this. Double tap to wake is there, but double tap to sleep is not available. As you can see, always on display works like faster here, and double tap to wake. And also you can see the face unlock, how quick it is. Once I touched the face unlock, let me show you the fingerprint unlock also. It's also very quick actually. Okay, it is kept to touch, you need to change it to, sorry, it is kept to press. Now you need to change it to touch like that. And if I go into some of the benchmark results before going into settings, you can see also the app opening time here, 6,96,281. During this testing I lost like 3.4% of battery, and 3.8 degrees Celsius was the temperature rise. The scores are very good. These are run in balanced one. If you go to performance mode, it will surpass 7 million scores here, which is good here. Sorry, not 7 million, 7 lakh scores here, which is good in my opinion. This how it is. And you get a proper MIUI Leica integrated camera that we are seeing in many of the MIUI ports now. It's available here also. And if I go into settings, you can see a lot more options are given. Smart suggestions are given. Interface Leica you can enable here. Watermark, Leica watermark. These things are working fine. That's how it is. And HAI format, and here you need to choose the picture quality to super, then it will be better. This is proper implementation of MIUI NX camera with Leica integration. You get log pro mode, a watermark, log exposure, long exposure, super moon mode. Those things are implemented fine here. The quality is also fine. If you want to use any Gcam port, you can definitely use them, but this is more than enough in my opinion. And if I go into like, I have 100 Mbps fiber connection here, it is pulling up to 80 to 90 Mbps, sometimes even 100 also. That's how it is. And even with mobile data connection also, it is working fine, no problem here. I haven't tested 5G because I haven't have here 5G network availability in my area. If you have that, you can check out. And 4G plus is working fine. The carrier aggregation support is working fine in this ROM. And if I want to, let me check out safety net status here. I haven't installed it. And DRM information also, let me show you those things. While those get installed, I want to show like you get this get apps which is in Chinese, because there's a China based ROM. You get, even in some of the settings you will get that same language, but no need to panic, it's smooth here. Just if you want to use this Play Store and all, you need to go into accounts and sync and select here basic Google services and turn on this, then only you will get this access of Google Play Store. Then you can install any app from Google Play Store, and you need to sign into your Play Store account. And Geekbench score I haven't run, maybe, yeah, that's how it is, but the scores are very good. I need not to show each and everything here. If you coming for other ROMs, I'll be showing definitely. And there DRM information you can check out here. As you can see, level 1 certification, you can watch all the OTT application in high definition resolution. That's not the problem here. And safety net status, run the test, it will get burst. You can use all the payment applications also, which is good thing. And if you want to make it even better, you can disable this Google Play apps, and you can sideload, or you can even use Get Apps to install your favorite apps. Or it depends guys, some people like to have Play Store like me, that you need some of the apps which are only present in Play Store, then you can use that. But if you want a very good battery life, that you can use that. But anyhow, I want to show this CPU throttling test. As you can see, I have been running it from last 10 minutes and 11 seconds and 3 milliseconds. You can see the maximum score is 339 here. Enable the dark mode, it looks better in the video at least. Okay, 339, and average is 311, and minimum is 274, and it's throttled to 87% of its max performance, because I kept some more apps in the background like this. As you can see, these are the recent apps. As you can see how cool the animation and how fast it is, that you can respond once you flash that ROM, I mean this particular ROM in your MIUI, then you can experience the same. And you get this Mi browser. I tried to disable that, but there is no option here. You can just select here if you don't want to use that, and go to notifications and turn off the notifications as I did here, then you won't get any notification from certain apps, and you get some ads also while installing apps. Because it's a China based ROM, we need to wait some more time to get better MIUI 14 build ROMs, but this is one of the fastest in this particular 1 month of a period of time. This is one of the best available MIUI 14 ROM for MIUI11X, what I can say here. And wallpaper and personalization, as I said before, these things are given. Effects also is there here. Edge lighting you can enable or disable from here. And coming into display, light mode, dark mode, all are working fine. In the dark mode you get more dark mode options, adjust text and backgrounds and dark mode, those things are given. Reading mode, you can adjust the intensity here in the classic mode and even in the paper mode, those things are working fine here. And color scheme I kept to saturated to look a little bit better in video, but you can choose whatever you want. And even this one also I will make it warm, looks better. And AI image engine, this is proper MIUI11X feature. If you want, you can enable that. Motion MEMC technology also is still available. And sound and touch, here you get all the basic settings. Additional settings you can enable or disable these things. And profile video for incoming calls are given. And sound effects, again Dolby Atmos is given, graphic equalizer is given, and preset. Obviously if you use earphones using this, you can customize a lot more regarding that. I even tried the Bluetooth earphones. I use this Redmi Earbuds 3 Pro, which is working fine, no problem regarding that. I haven't faced any issues with headphone jack. I mostly use this dongle and connect my 3.5mm headphone jack, but to test this device, for most of the users use Bluetooth because they don't carry this dongle. I hope so. That's how it is. Let me know in the comment section, guys, how you will enjoy your audio experience using this, or even the inbuilt stereo speakers are enough. Let me know in the comment section. I am also curious to listen you how it handles. And this how the sound and touch and notification and control panel. Here you get app notification. You can disable the individual app notification from here. And notification effect, as I said before, it's available. And control center style, nothing new here, it's new only. But we expect in VN edition you get a lot more things to customize them that are simply missing here. And items shown here, you can enable or disable. Again, status bar options here. If your app is not playing in full screen mode, you can just enable from here. These are the settings. And fingerprint and face unlock, as I shown before, those are working fine, no problem regarding that. And privacy protection, these are also working fine here. And regarding security, these are a region specific, like for example MIUI earthquake warning and some of the other disaster warning. These are region specific, guys. As of now I don't think so it will be work in each and every country. It depends upon your region also. I don't think so that's enabled in every country, but this VN edition based on China base have those things, but it takes time. And battery, again here performance mode is given. If you turn on this and play the game, it will be even better. And the battery life is very good. I want to show that. You can see here screen on time hasn't showing 1 hour 52 minutes, but what I did was I took a screenshot. Let me go into gallery. Okay, you can see here the idle battery drain is exactly nil. I kept 9 hours 9 minutes the smartphone active here. It wasn't turned on the screen. Now and then it was getting turned on, but still the idle drain is very not very low, it's zero, completely zero. The idle battery drain is very good in this particular ROM. You can definitely have it as a daily driver. If you are looking for MIUI VN editions, already you are on MIUI 13.5, then you can go ahead and flash this particular ROM, or else you can wait some other ROMs like CSX version and XBT versions. I tried those things, just made a video on MIUI CSX version. XBT I just used it, but I did not made a video. But this, I thought this would be a very good ROM available for MIUI11X regarding this MIUI 14, which is extremely good. You can definitely go ahead and flash this ROM as a daily driver, which is working fine in my opinion. And this new widgets and this home screen settings, let me go again here into settings and home screen. These are the customization. Again, disable all notification, animation speed, you can choose animation rate, system navigation into gesture. If you want, you can go back to 3 button navigation section. And home screen again with app drawer, light mode, classic mode, backgrounds, nothing change here. app categories, those are remains the same here. App vault settings, here you get a little bit of customization in app vault also. Let me show you. You get a lot more widgets here, and if you want you can add them from here. Again, that's could be same here, even you can add them in the home screen also. And folder bounce effect, folder blur, you can make it out. App tile, one tile icons also you can customize here. And global icon animation, if you want you can enable or disable. Blur app previews, arrange items in recent, as I said iOS tile recent, and some of the other options. You get a lot more customization regarding that. And this all the recent apps. As you can see, it's very quick. The user interface is very smooth, and the battery life is also very good. The MIUI 14 implementation is excellent on this particular ROM that is carried through this smartphone. You will never face any lags or anything like that. Even gaming going to be very good here. I haven't tried any PUBG Mobile like games, but I will need to wait one more update of this because it's a China based. I don't want this browser and to be there in the upcoming build. Those will be removed, I hope so. Let's see. And we get some other applications better. We can manually install from Play Store and use that. Hope so. It will have the same stability and same thing, but we'll get some new wallpapers and some new widgets, then it will be better. Let's see. It depends upon how they release the version. And animations, as I show on this, you can see here. And moving into the last one, the additional settings. Here again, as I said, kit space are given, and memory extension up to 5 GB has been enabled in this smartphone. If you want, you can disable that. And floating windows working fine. Front camera assistance is also given here. Clear speaker and one-handed and quick ball and gesture shortcuts and accessibility menu. Proper implementation, nothing new here. Just I seen this front camera assistant. Beauty for video calls. It will help only in WeChat. We don't use that anyhow. That's how, guys. This is the Mi 11X MIUI VN edition, and China based this is, which is working fine. As you can see, always on display is working. Double tap to wake is working fine, and face unlock is working fine. That's how it is. This is my review on this Mi 11X MIUI VN edition of MIUI 14 based on Android 13. If you like the video, give it a like, and if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below, guys. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.